Hi everyone, welcome back. Jana here on the Lindy's YouTube channel, and I have a fun new project for you. I was in the mood for some magical powders and for some rainbow colors, and so I started with tons of magical powders on and some white cardstock. And you can see I'm just adding the powder dry to my paper, and then I'm activating the powder with some water, and I only need some small areas with the colors just because I knew I wanted to fussy cut some wonky designs out of it. And the colors I'm using here are Hydrangea Blue, Azure Sea Esters, Time Travel Teal, Lucky Shamrock Green, Sea Mint Green, Matte Hatter Mint Green, and the second row is Golden Sleigh Bells, Cape Cod Coral, Plumeria Pink, let me see, Teapot Purple, Hottie Patati Hot Pink, and Sweet Violet Purple Teal. And I have a black and white picture to scrap today, and I took that picture a few years ago on a boat on a sea, and it's just a great picture to escape into some daydreaming. And so my layout is about the dream, the daydream, or yeah. And I will, next to the black and white picture, I will only use 2 or 3 big pieces behind that picture, and then I will finish my layout with tons of little animal dots and animal shapes and just some matching colored little details. And here I tried and I failed. I wanted to mix a dark blue, dark purple with a touch of blue, but yeah, it was not working. So here's a picture I told you. I have a cardboard tag, and I have these kind of fringy thread things. I created them myself. I wanted to create a big piece, but I failed, and yeah, you can hear it. I am full of fails at the moment. And so I decided to use it on a layout, just for a little detail in the background. I placed the word dream onto a piece of vellum, and I will place my title on top of the picture. And now here you can see I cut out tons of leaves or feathers, I'm not pretty sure. And I will arrange them in a half circle just around the picture, and I will go in the rainbow order. And I totally love how this is looking, and I absolutely love how the magicals are working on paper, and I just love to work with them. So I will take a little break, and I will fussy cut out some more from the leaves, just because I had the feeling there's not enough going on. And here you can see how this is looking so far. I just cut out some smaller ones from the leftover, from the little paper scraps I had left over. And now I'm bringing in the same magical powders just to bring in some more colors. I will splatter over the leaves, and I'm using the same colors in the same order, and I'm just mixing the colors onto my the big acrylic block. Yeah, I really love how this is coming together. I love the colors, and it's just rainbows are always making me happy. So when I'm down or when I'm not in the mood to do anything, so I'm just grabbing for rainbow colors, and it always helps. So bringing in the last splatters, and then I will glue down the picture and my the title. And I got some butterflies from Tim Holtz and some stickers from Studio. Oh, I just forgot the name. 40 maybe, I'm not sure. So I'm just bringing in some little stickers. Sky above, earth, I don't know, I can't read it right now. So get away, love this life. And I will staple the butterflies down and also the little stickers. And yeah, then I'm done. So you will get some close-ups and some final pictures at the end, and then you will see how I finished my layout with tons of embellishments. And yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I wish you all a great day. And yeah, that's it. Talk to you soon. Bye.